Hello guys, another day in our office in our garden. For today's video, we have now interesting topic to tackle and I wanted to share it with you. To how we make this or our plants more beautiful, we have this technique. So I feel urged to talk in English because if you are in other country watching this video, I hope you understand what I'm talking. And I want to share it with you with this liquid. What is this liquid that are very good for our plants, and how to prepare this. Are you look familiar with it? Yeah, this liquid is very good in our garden, mostly in the citrus, because there's a mineral here that needed by citrus and other plants like this garden plants, this, and mostly of our plants in our garden. So what is this? This is urine. Yes, I know some many of you will know it by its color. I don't know if I have a issue in my body, but this is my urine. Yeah, don't be shocked. This is natural, and there's a use. We should use this in our garden. So how to prepare it? So sa Pilipino, maraming mandidiri, pero isuspend nyo muna yung diri nyo kasi natural na yan, tinatapon lang natin yan. But now in our video, we will use this as a natural fertilizer in our plants. So we have here water, potable water or irrigation water. So we need to, this is the process. We should mix this a little bit, everything. So when you mix it, this is the time you will add this water in our plants, because if you for your information, this urine has many minerals, mostly particularly ammonium, that citrus plants needed and very good to them. So maganda yan. Kung sa Pilipino, maganda ang ihi na ina-apply natin sa ating mga halaman. So huwag na kayong masyadong mandiri dyan at maging rational na lang kayo. Pwede nyo yan. Inyo naman yan na waste. So kaysa itapon nyo na lang, lalo kung huwag nyo namang ipunin pag nasa biyahe kayo. Siyempre, yun sa bahay lang, di ba? Pag sa inyong mga ihian, iipunin nyo yun, then pwede natin siyang i-apply. Libre na yung fertilizer nyo. So apply na natin dito ating yan. Kasi we need to mix water because to be less concentrated by ammonium, so it never overdose. But sometimes it doesn't overdose, but for sure we need to do this to prevent. Prevention is better than cure. So yeah, this is one of the special liquid or water that you can apply to your garden in daily terms. So I hope you understand that I will share this. So many of our plants are growing because of this liquid. Mostly of my plants, I apply this. This is my succulent plants. I apply this. Yeah. To my catawba grapes, I apply it little by little, and I will apply it to my newly full green vegetables such as chili, sweet pepper, and this, make it beautiful. Look at them, they are growing so very well because of this liquid. No, disclaimer, this is not harm for your body because it's take long process before it becomes fruit of our vegetable. So that's it. I hope you learned something. This is Mr. Green. If you are new to our channel, could you help me to subscribe, whatever, or you have a comment in our topic for today, feel free to comment in the comment sections down below. Thank you very much. Love you all.